Hey guys, like Raw 668, and today I'm renaming Minecraft to random names. Cancel. I'm just joking. Okay, guys, I am quiet for today. This is a boring day to be on. Yeah, I'm just playing on my computer. I'm just joking around with y'all. I am playing some build battle. That's not funny. Why so funny? I'm like so funny. Like so funny. So funny. So funny. Hey guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is like Boss 668 signing out. Goodbye. I'm just joking. If you guys stop watching the video, too bad. This is the best video on my computer. Enjoy more. Mine straight except 36 back. It'll show it up right now. Oh, there you have it. So yeah, more enjoyable. This is a shake. Open up my inventory, grab this gun. Oh, goddamn pistol. Open this team. I fear some action. Gotta take the pistol out. Reload. Reloading. Thank you. Thank you for your business. I fear some people coming. Hide behind the wall.
Bomb has been planted.
As cops, I need to be the one to take care of them out. Yeah! How's that feel, son? SWAT to life. Awesome.
Terrorists win. Move out.
Got a grenade. a pretty good deal.
Lock and load. Terrorists win. Let's get this done.
Hate to say this, but Rosh got a grenade.
Bomb has been planted.
Bomb will be dead. This is super addicting.
Terrorists win.
Ooh, 64 of
Lock and load.
them. Waterloo. Die. Like about this game. It's violent. Is that up here? Yeah, but what are you playing? I'm recording and playing Mindstrike.
Bomb has been planted.
Okay. Bombers.
Terrorists win.
Talk to the people over that. Oh, hey, go in your inventory to go and shoot.
Let's get this done.
How much points do you have? Oh, you have 7,450. Do you get 7,450 each round? Wait, I just scan.
Bomb has been planted.
Yeah? Have you been talking to the people?
Nope.
Talk to them.
Wait, it's recording?
Yes.
Oh.
channel.
I'm playing a game that I'm really bad at.
Terrorists win.
Can I play like team deathmatch or something?
Lock and load.
To the hub now, and then I'm gonna play a different one. Oh, you were playing on Mineplex? Oh, and you're playing that on Mineplex? You have the texture pack for it, right? I accidentally mixed it up. You have the texture pack, right?
Nope.
Why not?
Oh, you're on the person team that's playing mine.
Oh, why don't I have money?
Not anymore, you better head south.
Why don't I have any money?
Because you have to that's on your team. You're on red team.
No. Dad, good news. We can get rid of the virus on the map.
Yeah, let me give
We have dropped the bomb.
Disconnect from Mineplex. Okay. Disconnect from Mineplex.
Okay, now cancel. Go into my desktop. Click game. And click that thing. There it goes. Look at bush. 6, 8, and I am playing mine. Mine, mine, mine. Mine, mine, mine. Mine, 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 mine. Picks. Playing Mineplex. Nope. That's our one. Mineplex. So I'm playing that Pixel. One thing that Dad told me yesterday. He probably made a video about it yesterday. And I didn't watch it. What are you talking about? Oh, I like this part. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. I'm playing Pixel Miners. Yes, I would like to play it in Walk Forward. See this socialist coin. Oh, got your bar. There's some gold. Pixel pay. 10, 5, 3, 2, 1. Boop. What is the theme? Chuck Norris. Boom. Give my toy. Chuck Norris pupils do. Chuck Norris. I'll be like boop. Eyes like Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris. Dark brown. Which is brown. Chuck's hair.
What's up, Bowie? Can I use that for a minute?
I'm making a video.
Oh, you are? Can I do something there real fast?
I'm in the middle of building that up in
you online?
Yep. It's called Pixel Painters. I'm drawing Chuck Norris.
Can I do something? No.
1 second. I'm drawing Chuck Norris. Chuck Norris needs the right amount of body strength to beat up Bruce Lee and the right amount of butt fat. And a little muscly karate chop. Wah! I did pretty good.
Cool. Can I get on there quick?
I'm still drawing.
Buddy, I need to use it.
What?
Just go to a website. I'll be right back.
Chuck Norris.
Huh?
Come on, Chuck. No! Chuck has no feet. Chuck Norris has no feet. I'm worried.
Aren't you up a little late?
No,
It's midnight.
it is.
No.
Chuck Norris. Oh, Chuck Norris. Look at all these good Chuck Norrises.
Can I do something? Come on, dude. I need your computer.
Okay, guys. Wait.
Oh, you're recording right now?
Yes.
That looks like Chuck Norris. Who made that?
This?
Oh, that.
You're forgetting this is touch screen.
Oh, okay. It looks like him too.
I just put it on this one.
Alright, can you end it?
Because I'm in the middle of a game.
Huh?
I'm in the middle of a game. Can I play it? Which one? Which one?
Which one what?
Which one that looks more like Chuck Norris? This one?
The one on the bottom, dude. There. No, right there it is. Hey, bud. I need to use the computer. Can you please?
Okay.
You can get right back on.
No, I just ended my game. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I'm ending this video. Bye.